Hello everyone. You all have read parts of speech in previous classes. One of the important parts of speech in English grammar is the verb which denotes the action words. Now, verb has an important relation with the time, action और काम कब किया जाता है दोनों के बीच में एक गहरी संबंध है. Now, the thing is that depending on the time when the action is happening, the verb forms also can be divided into tense forms or tenses. Now, today you will know about tenses. There are mainly three types of tenses in English grammar, that is, present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense means at the time of speaking. That means like now you are listening. Means आप अभी सुन रहे हो. So this is happening now at present. So this is present tense. Past which already had taken place or happened before. जो already हो चुका है. And future which is expected to take place at a certain time in the future. जो एक्शन या फिर जो काम बाद में होने वाला है. Now, each of these tenses again has four forms or they can be divided into four forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. That means present tense can be divided or present tense has the forms simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, past tense is also having these forms: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Future in the same way: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. One more thing you have to also remember, that simple present or simple past or simple future, that means the first form of each tenses, is also known as indefinite form. That means present indefinite or simple present, past indefinite or past simple past, future indefinite or simple future. Now, we have to know when this tense can be used, means when we can use present continuous tense, when you can use past continuous tense, when you can use future continuous tense, or when you can use simple past tense, simple present tense, simple future tense in the same way. That means टेंस का जो हर एक टेंस का जो अलग अलग फॉर्म है वो हम कब यूज करते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट, सिंपल टेंस. In present form, simple tenses means simple present tense or present indefinite tense is used to tell about the universal truths, a planned or scheduled activities, or simple description of routines. Past indefinite is used to tell about the activity that happened in the past or got over in the past. Future indefinite or simple future tense is used only when there is possibility of the activity happening, not certainly. श्योरिटी नहीं है बट आगे होने वाला है, शायद हो सकता है. In that time, future indefinite or simple future tense is used. Next, continuous. That means present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Present continuous tense will be used when an activity started some time ago and is still continuing while speaking. Like, I have started this lecture before 5 minutes. Till now I am continuing. आप भी मुझे सुन रहे हो, अभी सुन रहे हो मीन्स एक काम चल रहा है कुछ समय तक. And that time we use present continuous tense. Past continuous in the similarly the work which was going on in the past means पहले कोई काम कुछ देर के लिए चल रहा था. जब ऐसा प्रतीत होता है तब हम past continuous tense यूज करते हैं. Future continuous in future if a work is going to be happening, future में कोई काम कुछ देर के लिए होने वाला है. That means अगर आप हिंदी में सेंटेंस को मन में सोचोगे सो रहा है या रही है, रहा था या रही थी, होगा, हो रहा है, होने वाला है या फिर होता रहेगा. सो होता रहेगा, रहेगा, रहेगी, होता रहेगा, होता रहेगी. जब ऐसा आपको समझ में आएगा उस सेंटेंस के लिए आप फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, perfect tense. In present form, the perfect tense is used when an activity is over but it still has an effect on the present. एक काम हो चुका है बट थोड़ा ही देर पहले हुआ है और उसका इफेक्ट अभी भी है. जैसे मान के चलो आप सुबह नाश्ता किए हो, यू हैव टेकन योर ब्रेकफास्ट बट टिल नाउ इट इज़ देयर इन योर स्टोमक, योर ब्रेकफास्ट हैज़ बीन कंप्लीटेड. तो आप नहीं बोल सकते मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा था, आप क्या बोलोगे? मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट किया. That means the work has been done before some time but it has an effect at present. Past perfect. Past perfect, an activity which has been started in the past and was concluded, जो past में शुरू हुआ था और past में ख़त्म भी हो चुका है. Future perfect tense, it's referred to the activity which will have been completed by the time activity 2 happened. means आपका एक काम मान के चलो फ्यूचर में आपका 2 काम होने वाला है. ओके, दोनों काम में एक काम थोड़ी देर पहले होगा, एक काम थोड़ी देर बाद में होगा. दैट मीन्स सपोज you are going to take your lunch, okay, when your father will come. तो आप बोल सकते हो कि जब तक मेरा पापा आएगा तब तक मैं लंच कर लूँगा. ओके, आपके पापा आने के तक आप लंच कर लोगे. तो आपके पापा आएंगे वो भी फ्यूचर में होगा, आप लंच करोगे वो भी फ्यूचर में होगा, दोनों काम ही आपका फ्यूचर में होगा. बट आपका पहले कौन सा काम होगा? लंच करना. मीन्स आपके पापा आने के पहले आप थोड़ी देर पहले या फिर पापा आते रहेंगे उसी टाइम पे लंच कर लोगे. इन द सेम वे. And remember one more thing, for the past tense also means past perfect tense also the similar thing is happened. Like for past perfect tense there is also 2 actions in the past. अतीत में past में 2 काम होगा, मीन्स 2 काम हो गया है, दोनों ही काम कंप्लीट हो गया है बट एक काम थोड़ी देर पहले कंप्लीट हुआ था और एक काम थोड़ी देर बाद में कंप्लीट हुआ था. जैसे मुझे सुनने की पहले सपोज आप दूसरा कुछ एक्टिविटी कर रहे थे या फिर दूसरे सब्जेक्ट का पढ़ाई कर रहे थे तो आप बोल सकते हो इंग्लिश पढ़ने की पहले ही हमने ये कंप्लीट कर लिया था. लाइक आई हैड डन दिस बिफोर दिस, आई हैड डन माई होमवर्क बिफोर द क्लास स्टार्टेड. तो क्लास बाद में स्टार्ट हुआ, आपका होमवर्क पहले कंप्लीट हो गया था. तो वो वाले जो पार्ट है हैड डन माई होमवर्क और हैड कंप्लीटेड माई होमवर्क, दैट पार्ट इज परफेक्ट पार्ट और पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस पार्ट. नेक्स्ट वन इज परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. व्हाट इज परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस? In present form, perfect continuous tense is used when an activity started in the past but we are not sure when it will conclude or end. Like this effect, this lockdown, it has been started before 1.5 month. 1.5 महीने पहले से स्टार्ट हुआ था, अभी भी चल रहा है और हमें ये नहीं पता है कि कब ख़त्म होगा. So in this case or in this type of cases you can use the present perfect continuous tense. Now this past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense, you can make the sentences, but there is not such use in our day-to-day life or in our writing part. We don't use it, but I will discuss the format of sentences in these tense forms. Now let us speak about the format. First one is for present indefinite or simple present tense, the format is subject and V1 form, means first form of verb. Past subject and V2 form. Future subject shall or will and V1 form or verb 1 form. In the present continuous tense, subject am, is, are and ing form of the verb. Subject was, were, ing form of the verb in the past tense. Subject shall be or will be and ing form of the past tense. In this way it will be continuing. So from this picture you can see the orange part of each form of tense and what is the sentence structure of that particular tense. If you follow it, you can easily translate a sentence in those forms of particular tenses. Now let's speak about some examples. Simple present tense. We have already discussed the sentence structure form. I play basketball every week. I is the subject, play is the verb and first form of the verb play. Basketball every week, the part object. You have already read in your previous classes about subject and object. Present progressive or present continuous tense. I have written here progressive so that you can also understand that this present progressive means present continuous tense. I am playing basketball now. Okay. Simple past, I played basketball yesterday. Past progressive or past continuous, I was playing basketball the whole evening. Present perfect, I have just played basketball. Present perfect progressive, I have been playing basketball for 3 hours. Now look at these two examples. I have just played basketball means basketball playing is completed but the effect is till now क्योंकि वो अभी अभी खेला है. Now in the second sentence it is told I have been playing basketball for 3 hours. मैं 3 घंटा से खेल रहा हूँ मीन्स 3 घंटा पहले से वो खेल स्टार्ट हुआ था या शुरू हुआ था और अभी भी चल रहा है और इसीलिए यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज हुआ है. पास्ट परफेक्ट आई हैड प्लेड बास्केटबॉल बिफोर मैरी केम. I had been playing basketball when Mary came. It is past perfect progressive form or past perfect continuous form, but these kind of sentences are not commonly used in the conversational English. In future tense, I will play basketball next week. In future, also going to form is used. I am going to play basketball this afternoon. Now don't be confused. Going to or am going to is also you am going means am, is, are and ing form of the verb is also used in present continuous tense. But when to is used with this and a main verb is there, here you can see I am going to play. टू है, टू के बाद दूसरा एक वर्ब है, तब आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि ये फ्यूचर के लिए यूज हुआ है ना तो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के लिए. ओके. Future progressive or future continuous tense. I will be playing basketball next Sunday. Future perfect. I will have played basketball by tomorrow. Now you can see the example in affirmative or negative form means positive and negative form. If it is I have a car, it will be changed into negative I don't have a car. If you write I have not a car, that will be wrong. तो ऐसे ही आपको फॉलो करना है. You are playing a football now. You are not playing football now. They have been there. They haven't been there. I have been living here. I haven't been living here. I lived in London. I didn't live in London. I was playing. I was not playing. He had worked hard. He had not worked hard. I had been watching. I had not been watching. So in this way, this will be continuing. So students, I hope you have a basic idea about the tense forms and how do we use different type of tense forms in the sentences. And in this way, you can also make your own sentences while writing.